Fine. I hope now you can track by yourself. आप लोग अपना अपना कोरियर अभी से ट्रैक करना चालू करो. जब भी ऑर्डर करोगे, जैसे डॉक्टर नंबर का एसएमएस आ जाएगा आपको, एसएमएस आने के बाद इमीडिएटली ट्रैक करना स्टार्ट करो. डेली चेक करते रहो आपका, राइट. जस्ट खाली हमें रिफ्रेश करना है, वो अपने हमें ट्रैक करता रहेगा, हमें दिखाता रहेगा बार 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 बार. ऐसा नो. आई होप यू गाइस गॉट इट नाउ हाउ एग्जैक्टली टू ट्रैक अप द कोरियर. कोरियर कैसा करते हैं, आई थिंक आप लोगों को समझ में आ चुका है. सो टुडे आई विल बी टीचिंग यू सम न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ फॉलोअप्स. फॉलोअप के हम लोग आपको आज कुछ मैं आपको एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट बताने वाला हूं, where I'll be showing you the basics of follow-up. Yes or no? Today I'm going to teach you something called as this. Sir, is there possible courier? What is that? Okay. Once again. Sir, it's there possible courier. Possible courier delivery to town. What is this possible courier? क्या कुरियर का नाम है कि क्या क्या पूछना चाह रहे हो आप? So guys, today I'll be teaching you 5 concepts called follow-up concepts. आज बताने वाला हूं कि what is dream list card and how to use the dream list card while inviting people. जब भी आप लोगों को invite करोगे, if you want to do prospecting on on Instagram or on Facebook or on some social media site, or if some strangers are there with you, if you want to connect with them, और कोई लोग हैं आपके बहुत you have not met him for a long time, it's been a long gap since you have spoken to each other. How can I start my conversation to him? If I want to invite him, how can I start the conversation? The best way is called using a dream list card method with 5 solid questions. So today I'm going to teach you this dream list card method with 5 solid questions so that you can get the complete clarity on it. This is the dream list card method and with the 5 solid questions. Are you able to see this? This is the dream list card with 5 solid questions, and the 5 solid questions are also being written in the down. Yes or no? Example, let me tell you how to use this card. How to use this card. How to use this in follow-up. आप ये कार्ड कहीं भी आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. You can use in follow-up, you can use in presentation, you can use in invitation. आप कहीं भी इस कार्ड का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो आप. So this is accessible at any place and everywhere you can access it, and you can make a best use of it. How to do that? Example, you might be having a card with you, right? You might be having a friend. It's been a long time since you met him. Suddenly you have just like contact him on Facebook saying hi, and even he replied call hi. Yes or no? And you might ask him how are you. नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन आपने कर लिया आपने. ऐसा नो. अब आपको चालू करना है कि कैसे बताऊं बिजनेस के बारे में. ऐसा नो. You have to just send this card, this picture of the card, not with questions. You have to just send the top picture of the card to their friend and ask him 5 questions. Yes or no? Or else before that you can create some hype. How can you create hype? You can tell him, I wanted to show you something from long time, but I was confused. Should I show it to you or not? Is it the right time to tell to you or not? Now what will he say from the friend? He will tell, yes, is it the right time? Tell me. Yes or no? वो खुद अपने आप बोलेगा कि यार बताओ ना. Yes or no? Right. So you can just create some hype over there, saying that ki, I want to show you something, or I want to tell you something, but I don't feel is the right time to tell or not. What do you think? Is it the right time or not? वो खुद बोलेगा हाँ, is it the right time to tell? तब आप क्या करो, ये कार्ड सेंड कर दोगे आप. You will just send this card to the people over there, and he might be thinking, which of this is important to you right now? And he might reply something. Yes or no? Call financial freedom or helping others or want to be an entrepreneur, retirement, personality development or extra income, more free spare time or making new friends or traveling new places. वो आपको कुछ रिप्लाई करेगा. ऐसा नो. देन आप पूछोगे आप, why did you pick up that? He might reply you, call financial freedom. Then what is your next question? Your next question will be, why did you choose that? क्यों आपने वो choose किया आपने? He might tell so and so reason. This is the reason why I want to achieve that in my life. Then third thing, you will say him, what are you doing to achieve this apart from your studies or work? To achieve this one, what are you doing extra apart from studies and apart from your working? मतलब आप काम कर रहे हो, आप एक नौकरी करो तो नौकरी के अलावा और क्या कर रहे हो आप ये सारे चीजें अचीव करने के लिए. And majority time the person will have no answer for that. In 90% case, that guy will not have any answer for that. He'll be silent. Why? Because that is the moment where he's realizing that right, that is the moment where you're taunting him that yes, you should do something for that. And the fourth question will be, by doing nothing, how can you expect to achieve it? बिना कुछ किए कैसा आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि वो सारी चीजें आपको मिल जाएंगी? That is the moment where he will be realizing, yes, मेरे को कुछ करना है. Yes or no? And your and the fifth question will be, in case if you're not able to achieve it in your entire life, how will you feel? Happy or sad? अच्छा लगेगा, बुरा लगेगा? What will he say? वो बोलेगा अच्छा लगेगा? Of course he'll tell बुरा लगेगा भाई, ऐसा no? बहुत बुरा लगेगा. That is a method where you have approached him you have just made a mindset. आपने लोगों को माइंडसेट दे दिया कि आपको मेरी बात क्यों सुनना क्यों है, ऐसा नो. तो आपने हल्का सा उनसे बॉन्ड बना लिया और आपने उनका माइंडसेट बना दिया कि हमें कुछ करना है, इसके लिए हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा ये चीज अचीव करने के लिए. दैट इज द मोमेंट लास्ट यू विल बी गिविंग अ मैसेज टू द पर्सन ओवर देयर, सेइंग दैट कि यू नो व्हाट, 99% on this earth, 100% of the people will have dreams, but 99% of the people don't achieve their dream. You know why? Because they never write their dreams. वो कभी सपने लिखते ही नहीं, कभी सपने वो सिंस कभी सपने लिखे नहीं तो कभी ध्यान नहीं किया, कभी ध्यान नहीं किया तो कभी उसके बाद सोचा नहीं कभी उसके बारे में कभी फिक्र नहीं की, ऐसा हो कभी आपने उसके यू हैव नेवर वरीड अबाउट दैट. सिंस यू नेवर वरीड अबाउट दैट, द जस्ट द टाइम गॉट पास्ड अवे. You know what, but I don't want to be one among them. I already written my dreams, and you know what, I already started working on that. Now will your friend not ask you what are you working on that, क्या कर रहे हो आप, क्या करते हो आप, बताओ मेरे को भी, ऐसा no? Automatically the person will show you interest on the friend. This is a very good example where you can connect to people, let it be a very far friend or stranger. आप ड्रीम लिस्ट कार्ड से आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज राइट अवे वी आर शोइंग द बेनिफिट ऑफ पीपल. हम लोग किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, डायरेक्टली मैं बता दिया कि इसी के बारे में हम लोग जाके बात करें, कुछ और नहीं बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग, ऐसा नो. हम लोग वी आर नॉट गोइंग राउंड एंड वी आर ड्रैगिंग द टॉक. वी आर कमिंग टू द पॉइंट. If he's interested, he'll reply. If not interested, that guy will go as simple as that. But you will never have a problem that yes, man, I never try. As I told you, never judge people. Give opportunity, let them decide whether they want or not. If they picked up, is well and good. If they don't pick up, you will not have a blame on yourself that yes, I never showed a plan to people. Yes, from your side, you are right. You approach everybody. If they respond well, that's good. If they don't respond, no problem. Go ahead with the people who are responding you back on that. Did you got this? How to use the dream list card? Yes or no? Right. I'll just give you a recap of this in a quick way. Example, if you're my friend, how will I approach you with this? Yes or no? If you're my friend, how will I approach you with this card to invite people? Or by starting the presentation also, you can use this so that you can maintain his mind. So that what are we going to discuss for example in half an hour on this? You can use this. Or while doing like follow-up also, you can use this card. You can tell him, see, these are your dreams. Yes or no? What are you doing? Kuch nahi kar, I'm giving an opportunity for you, but you're telling no. Let's not do that. Yes or no? So this card can be useful for everywhere. Let me explain you 3 different ways how to use in the invitation, how to use in the presentation, how to use in the follow-up. Questions are same, everything is same, just the wordings will change. For presentation, some few wordings will change. For follow-up, some few wordings will change, and for invitation, some few wordings will change. Rest all will remain the same. First method for invitation. If I'm inviting you and we are both not in good contact, what I did, I did a video calling to him. Nowadays, this is a trend now. Chatting, and all, it has become an old trend now. So nobody wants to waste time on chatting now. Everybody wants quick message, video call message on spot, yes or no. Example, I chat with you to make a bond with you. Then I directly told, I want to show you something. But I'm doubting whether should I show you or not. Is it the right time or not? I'm still doubting. From the friend, he'll be telling, no, show me. That is the moment where I tell, okay, fine, do one thing, come on a video call. Let's have a video chat. Yes or no? He'll come on a video call. I'll be having a card called Dream List card. I'll be just showing him. Or if I don't have one, I can just show the picture of it on Zoom. I can just show them a screen. I can tell him, see, this is the card. These are my dreams, what I want to achieve in my life. You know what? Majority of the people, 99% of the people don't achieve the dream. Why? Because they never write their dreams. But I don't want to be one among them. I already written all my dreams, and this is what I want to achieve in my life. And after this, your first question will be, well, you know what? What will be your first question? In this, I think your dreams also may resemble with my dreams. Your dreams also may resemble with my dreams. So what's your first priority in this? What's your first priority in this? What you want the most out of it? Yes or no? Or we can ask him which of this is important to you right now. Or we can ask him what's your first priority in this. He may tell financial freedom, or he may tell extra income. He may tell anyone, or he may tell two, three. Tell him, I don't want to three. Tell me anyone. What is your first priority? First top priority. Out of the three, four options, he might choose anyone. That's called extra income. That is the area of interest of him. Second question I'll be asking, why did you pick up that? Now he is telling, rather me telling him the importance of extra income. Now he will tell me what is the importance of extra income. How important the extra income to him. Rather me creating his mind. In fact, I ask him a question and he himself is creating his own mind now. That why extra income is important to me. And वो खुद बोलेगा yes man if I have extra income ये रहेगा वो रहेगा सब बताएगा वो. And the third question is that कि yes and do appreciate him on spot. ऐसा मतलब तब का तब आपको बार बार आपको appreciate भी करना पड़ेगा आपको. ऐसा no. Then tell him right what are you doing to achieve this apart from your studies and job. If he's having a reply, he will reply you. By this, you'll get to know whether this guy is already into network marketing or already into some other platform or not. You can cross check from here. Yes or no? What are you doing? अब वो कुछ करेगा तो भाई बताएगा ना. Yes, I'm doing something called network marketing. Yes, I'm doing something called this and that. कुछ ना कुछ तो बोलेगा. By this, you can cross check whether he's already into some network marketing or he's not into some anything. Or what is he currently doing? आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Then appreciate him. Yes or no? Then asking a fourth question with a low tone. आपका जो tone होना चाहिए बहुत low होना चाहिए. How? By doing nothing, how can I expect to achieve your dreams? How can I expect to achieve this? That is the moment where he'll be realizing, यार मेरे को कुछ करना है. वो बोलेगा, yes, I should do something for that. Then tell him, in case if you're not able to achieve it for the entire life, how will you feel? Happy or sad? He'll feel very sad. You know what? Even I don't want to be like sad like you. Even I don't want to be that person who have a dream and he shattered all his dream. I want to be that person, a part of 1% crowd where people had a dream and they proudly worked on it and they achieved their dream. And I want to be a successful person. You know what? I already started working on some platform which is helping me not to get only extra income. In fact, I can get everything in this, everything on this card. From the friend, he will ask you, what are you doing? वो by default पूछेगा वो. Then your invitation got successfully completed. I hope you got how to use it in the invitation. ऐसा हो guys, I think आप लोगों को समझ में आ चुका है कि हमें invitation में ये कार्ड कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ऐसा हो. Yes or no? If yes, yes in the chat box. No, no in the chat box. Right. So that was in the invitation method. Now, if I'm starting a presentation, if my downline has invited some guest, and we are stranger to each other, and I don't know how what this person area of interest is, what is he expecting from this presentation, with what mindset he came. I don't know completely about him. So to know him better, to make a good bridge with him, I'll be using this card again. I'll be asking the same thing. Yes or no? Right. I'll be opening this card. Same thing I'll be telling again. See, this is my dreams, what I want to achieve in my life. I hope my dreams may also resemble with your dreams. So which is the first priority in this view? He'll pick up any one in that. Then second question, why did you pick up that? He will say everything. This is the reason. Then ask him, what are you doing to achieve it apart from your job and studies? If you're doing something, he'll tell. If not doing something, he'll tell nothing. Yes or no? Fourth question, in case if you're not able to, by doing nothing, how can I expect to achieve your dreams? Yes or no? He'll tell, yes, I'll do something. In case you're not able to achieve it the entire life, how will you feel? Sad or happy? You will tell sad. You know what? You should give a thank you to your friend today. Right? Your friend was knowing that you're very ambitious, want to do something very big, but you're not having a direction. You know what? Your friend has already started working on his dream. And even I started working on my dream. It's time for you to get to know what can you do in your, apart from your studies or apart from your job in the part-time, what extra can you do so that you can achieve your dreams and you will not be a person of regretting person where you have a dream and you have been sacrificing your dream. Today I'm going to tell you about an opportunity from where how can you get all these things in the card, whatever the list on the card, how can you get everything along with the studies or along with the job. Let me begin now. Okay, you'll be starting, that is how you'll be using in the presentation. Before starting a presentation, you are creating his mind. What are we going to discuss today? Yeah, discuss, we're going to discuss that things जो आपका एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रहेगा, जो आपको जो चाहिए वही आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. वहां से क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी. Am I clear with this, guys? समझ में आ चुका है हम लोग कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं ड्रीम कार्ड व्हाइल स्टार्टिंग अ प्रेजेंटेशन. एक मैंने बताया था आपको इनविटेशन के समय, हाउ टू यूज इट ड्यूरिंग द इनविटेशन. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई टॉट यू हाउ टू यूज इट इन द presentation format, I think. And now I'll be telling you the one more format is called as a follow-up format. Example, he has already done the PPT. उस बंदे का फॉलो भी हो चुका है डे 1 एंड डे 2 बंदे अभी तक बंदा डाउट में है, अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहा है बंदा, ऐसा नो. And you as upline, your downline called you, sir, one of my friend is there, sir, I want you to talk to him, yes or no. And he'll be creating a proper hype and he'll be getting to you. तब आप क्या करोगे? अब आप, बंदा आपके लिए स्ट्रेंजर है, आप तो उसे जानते नहीं कभी उसे, क्या बंदे का क्या माइंडसेट है, क्या अचीव करना चाहता है. तो आप क्या करोगे? ये कार्ड से आप चालू करोगे. दिस आर माय ड्रीम्स, व्हाट आई वांट टू अचीव, yes or no. सेम क्वेश्चन, सेम थिंग. एट लास्ट में मैसेज क्या करोगे आप? देखो भाई, आप बिना कुछ किए आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? आपको कुछ करना पड़ेगा. इन्वेस्ट इज द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू कैन गेट एवरीथिंग दिस. तब आप प्रूफ दिखाओगे, चेक्स पिक्चर, कार पिक्चर्स, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पिक्चर्स, सारे चीजें दिखाओगे तो बंदे को बिलीव आएगा. जनरेट सिंग इज बिलीव कॉन्सेप्ट में बंदा क्या करेगा? बिलीव कर पाएगा. तो दिस इज यूज्ड टू जस्ट टू क्रिएट अ माइंडसेट ऑफ द पर्सन. फॉर व्हाट आर वी टॉकिंग, फॉर व्हाट रीजन आई एम कॉलिंग टू यू, एंड हम लोग क्या बात करने हैं, हम लोग क्या बात करने वाले हैं. सो दिस व्हाट हैपेंस दैट की that makes him feel that he want to do something but is doing nothing for that. बंदा कुछ अचीव करना चाहता है मगर उसके लिए कभी काम ही नहीं कर रहा, तो कहां से अचीव कर पाएगा? Here you are making his mindset that आपको कुछ करना पड़ेगा आपके सपनों के लिए. Where he'll be getting a mindset. I hope you got this. I hope you got this. How to use it in different ways. Invitation, presentation, and follow. If anybody has any doubts on this this document called Dreamers card, आप पूछ सकते हो. किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. How many people are not comfortable with Hindi? Because here we have a mixture of crowd. We have people from North India, also people we have from South India as well. So how many people are not comfortable with Hindi? So if everybody are okay with Hindi, let me completely talk in Hindi only. Yes or no? If somebody are there in the meeting where they can't understand Hindi, can just type here, sir, me, I can't understand Hindi, you can just type, so that I can completely talk in Hindi only. If everybody are comfortable with that. Ajit ji, one person don't know Hindi, okay. Apart from Ajit, anybody else? Darshan ji can't understand Hindi, okay. Trinayana ji is there, Hari ji is there, Mahesh ji is there, 5 people. Bhumika ji 6, Vivo ji 7, okay. And anybody else apart from this? So 7 people. Shilpa don't understand Hindi, okay. 8 people are there who don't understand Hindi. So let me take as a round figure to 10 people. Not that much perfect, sir. If you understand is more than enough. If you can't speak, no problem, at least can understand is more than enough. So overall we have around 10 people who don't understand Hindi. That we have told this, I think 70 gathering. In the 60 people know Hindi and 10 people don't know Hindi. So I'll talk in mixture only, so that both things can go up and up. Yes or no? Right. Chalo, let me ask one more thing. How many people don't know English at all? They can't understand English properly. You can just tell me, can't you can just type that I don't know English. Let me check how many people are not comfortable with English. कितने लोग हैं जहाँ पे उनको इंग्लिश नहीं आता समझने के लिए, जहाँ पे उनको हिंदी ही चाहिए, completely they want Hindi. Anybody, guys? If anybody are there, you can just type in the chat box called I don't know. If anybody don't know English, you can tell. Okay. Is there anybody who don't know English? Or if somebody is there, और क्या कुछ लोग हैं जहाँ पे इनको हिंदी नहीं आती, मतलब इंग्लिश नहीं आती, उनको समझ ही नहीं आती. So let me see. If everybody okay with English, then let me talk completely in English only. Yes or no? जल्दी बताओ आप लोग, बाद में मेरे को बीच में नहीं बोलने का सर टॉक इन हिंदी और इंग्लिश करके, ऐसा नो, सही में नॉर्मली ओपनली, वेदर यू नो इंग्लिश, आप इंग्लिश आती है नहीं आती है, नहीं आती मतलब हम लोग बात करेंगे दो लैंग्वेज में भी। आई होप आप लोगों को ये समझ में आ चुका है आपको, ठीक है, व्हाट इज ड्रीम लिस्ट कार्ड, डिड यू गॉट दिस, ऐसा नो। So this was the first step. The second step, I'm going to show you something called as time is money, ESBI rule and DTM concept, हमारा ये रहेगा, ठीक है। और हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं, हम लोग बात करेंगे समथिंग कॉल्ड एज ESBI, हाउ टू यूज ESBI कार्ड व्हाइल इनवाइटिंग पीपल। वेयर इज माय ESBI कार्ड, एक सेकंड यहाँ पे, ओके गॉट इट। So guys, this is called as ESBI card. This is also one of the way of inviting people. आप इसे invite भी कर सकते हो, इसे आप follow भी कर सकते हो, इसे आप plan भी start कर सकते हो आप। I hope हम लोग कितने भी CNT meeting करते हैं, in all the CNT meeting we use this ESBI card, yes or no? We show people ESBI, ESBI, ESBI. I hope by now you everybody knows what is called ESBI. I think आप सबको पता चल चुका है कि what exactly होता क्या ESBI में। हम लोग यहाँ पे ये बता रहे हैं, ई का मतलब होता है दुनिया में जितने भी लोग हैं, द एंटायर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 कैटेगरीज कॉल्ड ई, एस एंड बी एंड आई। ई का मतलब होता है एम्प्लॉय, एस का मतलब होता है सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड, बी का मतलब होता है बिजनेस ओनर, आई का मतलब होता है इन्वेस्टर्स। एम्प्लॉय का क्या होता है, दे दे हैव अ जॉब, they own a job, simple it is, they just have a job, they just go and work for a job, they just go and work for somebody, that's called employee. सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड का मतलब क्या होता है, दे ओन अ जॉब, they have their own job, मतलब they have their own office or they have their own like small scale business, they are called as the self employed people. Example, a doctor having his own clinic, a lawyer having his own like office, yes or no, a CA having his own small office, yes or no, where they are working for themselves, they are having their own job, they don't work under someone, they just do it for themselves, that's called self employed, right? And B category is called as a business category, where people own a system and where people come and work for them, they create a system, they create a platform जहां पे लोग अपने आप आएंगे, आके काम करें, they create a platform where people come and work for them, yes or no? So that is called as a business class people. You can see Infosys is a company, has created a platform where lakhs of people come and work for them, yes or no? Same with that way, ठीक है। So that is called as a business owners, where the people own a system and people come and work for you. And I का मतलब होता है investor class, where you invest money and the money works for you, and money works for you in your absence, still you get paid over there. Why? Because your money is working for you. I hope you got this, what is E and what is B and what is S and what is I. Did you got this? E का मतलब, S का मतलब, B का मतलब और I का मतलब होता क्या है। Then हम लोग बताते हैं कि 95% of the world population enters into E and S class, 5% of the population enters into B and I class, yes or no? But the sad part is that 5% of wealth is with 95% of the people and 95% of wealth is with 5% of the people. You tell me now, if you want to achieve all your dream, in which category would you like to come? Of course बोलेगा वो, भाई B class में आना है, ऐसा हो। Ask him, what are you doing so that you can come in B class? करते क्या हो B class में आने के लिए? बोल रहा है पढ़ी कर रहा हूँ, पढ़ी के बाद क्या करोगे, जॉब भी तो करोगे, तो आप E class में आओगे, मैं खुद का कुछ स्टार्ट करूंगा तो S class में आओगे, B में थोड़ी आओगे, ऐसा हो। So there you are making his mindset that key, you're not entering into a B class, you're just entering into E and S class itself, where you'll be having a compromising life. But you know what, I have an opportunity for you, from where how can you enter into the B class without any investment, without any idea, without any experience, still you can come into the B class. You can become a business owner. Business owner मतलब a big business where you can operate across the globe, not only in your city or in your area, you can expand it across the globe. आप कहीं से भी आप business कर सकते हो, उसे बोलते हैं business owner, जहाँ पे आप घर अब expand कर सकते हो, पूरे दुनिया के अंदर आप फैला सकते हो business के अंदर। And network marketing is such an opportunity which gives you a business of the global business, ऐसा ना guys। तो हम लोग इस तरह से हम लोग इनवाइट कर सकते हैं लोगों को, जहां पे लोगों को समझना आएगा कि हमें बिजनेस के लिए हमें ये चीज है। तो आप ये मेथड आप उन लोगों को इस्तेमाल करना जो ऑलरेडी जॉब में है, उनके अंदर बहुत इंपैक्टिंग पड़ेगा ये। जो लोग ऑलरेडी जॉब में हैं, या ऑलरेडी लोग जो 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 स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेस कर रहे हैं और अज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि मैं एक बिजनेस ओनर बन चुका हूँ, उनको बताना पड़ेगा कि आप बिजनेस ओनर नहीं बने, आप कहना कि आप सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड हो आप। जिस दिन आपका दुकान बंद तो आपका इनकम भी आपकी इनकम बंद हो जाएगी। ऐसा हो, आप पैसिव इनकम में आज तक कभी आए नहीं, आप अभी भी आप एक्टिव इनकम ही चल रहा है आपका बिजनेस। So that's the way to invite people. And PPT, while doing the PPT, to create the importance, why should I do business only? To achieve my dreams, why should I, to create the importance of doing a business, you can explain ESBA rule to him. In the follow-up again, saying him to make all your dreams come true, to make all your goals come true, just by doing a job or having a handful of income is not possible to get all your dreams done. If you want all the things in life, then you need to come into the B class. To come to B class, Westgate is giving an opportunity to come to B class. I think आपको समझ में आ चुका है what is ESBA rule. Yes or no, guys? Did you got this? What is ESBA rule? If you have any questions on this, you can ask me. Let me ask you some questions. Sachin Tendulkar comes in which category? S or B? Sachin comes in which category? S or B? Let me see how many have answered. Asif telling self-employed. S category. Anna is telling S. Yes, absolutely right. He comes in S category. He is not a business owner. He is a self-employed. The problem with self-employed people that they can only get paid until the skill is working. The moment the skill gone, their income also stops. Example: Sachin Tendulkar is there. The moment he's playing well, he'll get paid. The moment he stop playing, his income also will stop by default. Yes or no? That's the problem with self-employed people. And the second problem with self-employed people, they cannot transfer the talent to somebody else. Sachin Tendulkar may be a master blaster. He's having his son. Do you know his son name? Majority people don't know his name only. Why? Because ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं बंदे ने आज तक. ऐसा ना फादर ने देखा तो रिकॉर्ड देख कर दिया, बेटे ने आज तक कुछ किया ही नहीं ऐसा. बहुत से लोग जानते नहीं इसके फादर का मतलब उसका नाम. Father are multi-talented. Where father was able to transfer his talent to his son. सोचो ना कि एक बंदा जो सचिन का बेटा है तो सचिन से बेटर होना चाहिए ना, बिकॉज सचिन का एक्सपीरियंस तो पूरा सचिन ने दे दिया उसे. ऐसा नो. But the problem with self-employed people, they cannot transfer the talent to one from them. They cannot transfer the talent to somebody else. That's the problem. Example: a doctor is there, a well-known doctor. A doctor is a very well-known doctor is. Yes or no? Right. He is a specialist. In the entire South India, he's the one specialty doctor. And to get people wait for the turn to get operated by him. One fine day, some operation was fixed. Some patient was there. After he got an appointment after 1 month. एक महीने के बाद उसका अपॉइंटमेंट मिला एंड डॉक्टर का ऑपरेशन था. एग्जांपल, डॉक्टर ऑपरेशन वाज ऑन 1st of October, but unfortunately doctor is also a human being itself. Yes or no? So what happened? Doctor met with an accident on 20th of September, and to get recovered, doctor took around 10 days. But in the accident, doctor lost his hands. Now doctor is mentally strong. Now the operation comes. Can the doctor can perform the operation now? Doctor knows how to do it, but he cannot do it. Why? Because he's not having his hands now. Or chalo, doctor had his assistant, a well-known doctor. He's also, and he guided him. He's sitting over there and is guiding. This is the step. This is a step. Will the patient will be okay to get operated by that person? जरी से भी ऊंची चीज हो जाएगी ना तो जान जा सकती है बंदे की. याद रखना. ऐसा नो. जरी से भी, right? That is called that moment called perfection comes into picture. And that doctor has done hundreds of operations. He's very perfect in that. And this doctor, he's a doctor. but he has not done that much of operations where he is inexperienced on this. So the perfection will be up and down. Yes or no? तो उसी तरह से क्या होता है, now this doctor has no value in the hospital. The doctor who has lost his hands now, a well-known specialist, he has no value in the hospital, and the hospital management will remove him from the job. वो लोग उसे निकाल दें, क्यों? वो बंदा कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा आज, and he should just go and become a lecturer now. That is the problem with self-employed people. They cannot transfer the talent to one person to one more person. The talent starts from them and it ends on them only. And one more problem with the self-employed people. If I might be like, if Sachin Tendulkar is well talented, yes or no, he cannot make his son start from Sachin Tendulkar level. His son should start from zero again. That's the problem. उसके बेटे को जीरो से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, ना कि जहां से सचिन ने छोड़ा वहां से कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाएगा बंदा, जीरो से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. डॉक्टर ने जहां पे प्रोफेशन छोड़ा था वहां से भी कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाएगा. उसके बेटे भी आया ना, तो या उसका बेटा या बेटी आई, तो उनको भी जाके जीरो लेवल से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा बिजनेस. That's the problem with self-employed people. I hope you're able to get this. But with business class people, they're very smart. They know that I'm not multi-talented, but I'll recruit all the multi-talented people in the hospital and I'll make them work and I'll get paid. If I'm sleeping also, I'll get paid. Why? Because multi-talented people are working in the hospital. That is called smartness. That's called businessman. Yes or no? Dhirubhai Ambani, he just 8th standard he has studied. He has not done any further education. But so many lakhs of people, well-educated people, used to work under him. Same thing Bill Gates also did. Bill Gates said, I'm not the topper, but all the toppers works in my company today called Microsoft, and I'm the owner of the Microsoft. That is called businessman's das. So only we say business does not require any degree qualification. बिना डिग्री के आप चल सकते हो. Business demands maturity. Business demands smartness. बिजनेस पूरा दिमाग का खेल होता है. स्मार्ट रहोगे तो अपने आप कर लोगे, स्मार्ट नहीं रहोगे तो नहीं कर पाओगे बिजनेस. मैच्योरिटी लेना पड़ेगा आप, एंड आपको स्मार्ट लेने की आनी पड़ेगी. सो दैट्स द कॉल एज बिजनेस क्लास पीपल. Yes or no? I hope you got this. This is the certain questions where you can defend the friend guest. Yes or no? Where people tell, no, I am a businessman and all. Sir, you are actually not a businessman, sir. Sir, you're actually self-employed. With the polite way, you are like making him tell that you're self-employed. Yes or no? तो आप लोग आप जाके बता सकते हो. I hope you got this now. What is ESBI rule? Yes or no, guys? Let's move on further now. आज हम लोग कुछ नया सीखेंगे आज. There's something called time is money concept and there's something called DTM, degree time money. ये कुछ नया रहेगा आपके लिए. Yes or no? You might have not heard it, and the people are already into network marketing. They know it very well. Yes or no? But some people are fresher and they may not know something called DTM concept or time is money. I'll make you realize now. Why should you do network marketing? Why should you make a network? What is the importance of creating a network? Where the picture went? कहाँ चला गया picture? Where I just cropped it up. अभी मैंने crop किया. Once again, guys, I have to just check where it went. As screenshots. Yeah, it's almost here. I get my created document. Okay. Nice. Oh my goodness, can't get a screenshot. Maybe. One moment, let me just find that picture called screenshot. I just cropped now only. Okay. Yeah, it's here. This is what I'm going to teach you today, called time is money. You would have heard many times people say time is money. होता क्या है? Yes or no? You would have heard many times, but you never realize what exactly it means. होता क्या है time is money? आपने सुना है शायद बहुत सारे बार, मगर आपको कभी समझ नहीं आ रही होता क्या है time is money. Today I'm going to teach you what exactly you mean by time is money and how can you use it in the follow-up to make a friend person explain why it is important to have a network. Why should you have a network? Network क्यों बनाना है हमें? Network बनाने से क्या फायदा होता है? मैं आज आपको समझाने वाला हूँ कि what is the meaning of time is money. Let me ask you some few questions, guys. Let me assume there is a company called Infosys. Right? There's a company called Infosys. In this company, there'll be an owner of a company and there'll be employees working in the company. Yes or no? There'll be an owner of the company, there'll be an employees who have been working in the company. How many hours, and example, if you're working in the Infosys company, how many hours can you work in a day in a job? एग्जाम्पल, आपको जॉब मिल चुका है इन्फोसिस कंपनी में, आप कितने घंटे नौकरी कर पाओगे एक दिन में? चैट बॉक्स पे दिखाना। 7 hours, some people are saying 7 hours, some are saying 6 to 8 hours. Let me assume on an average 8 hours, 8 hours per day आप नौकरी कर सकते हो एक जॉब के अंदर, ऐसा नो? राइट। क्या आप 8,000 hours per day, can you work for 8,000 hours per day? Is it possible for you to work 8,000 hours per day? Yes or no? Can you work for 8,000 hours per day? Majority of the people are telling no. Why? Because in a day you have just 24 hours in a day. You have just 24 hours in a day. Then how can I work for 8,000 hours per day? Yes or no? You know what? But the owner of the company knows how to work for 8,000 hours per day, and the owner of the company works for 8,000 hours per day. You know how? वो बोलेगा नहीं, I don't know. That is the reason why you are an employee. That is the reason why he is an owner. ऐसा टॉन्ट करने का लोगों को तब on that point. ऐसा no guys. समझ आ रही है आपको? That is the moment where you need to taunt him up. Do you know the owner of the company works for 8 hours per day? You know how? वो बोलेगा no, I don't know. That is the reason why you are an employee, why he is an owner, because he knows how to work for 8 hours per day. You don't know. That is why you are an employee. That is the reason why he is an owner. Yes or no? That is the way you need to tackle them. You need to taunt them over there. And I will be thinking, how is that? How is that? Okay, fine, no problem. See here, like the way you're working in a company, like that, if owners recruit 1,000 people, if everybody works for 8,000 hours per day, how many hours it will become? 8,000 hours per day. Actually, owner did zero work. People got recruited, people did the work for the owner. Yes or no? So, right. In which case the input is high? Is it in the owner case or is it in the employee case? Employee working for 8 hours per day and owner working for 8,000 hours per day. In which case the input is more? Employee or the owner? Of course, you're right. It's in the owner side. Because employee working for 8 hours, owner working for 8,000 hours in a day. So what salary employee will earn in 1 year, the owner earns in 1 day only? Yes or no? What he earns in 1 year, he can just earn in 1 day only. Why? Because that many hours is working more. Yes or no? In what do you think? In the employee case, is the input less or more? In the employee case, the input is neither high nor less. Rather, it is fixed for 8 hours. If you work for less than 8 hours, salary will get deducted. Yes or no? 8 hours is fixed over there. Input is not high unless it is fixed. Yes or no? Right. And in the owner case, owner earns passive income. Why? Because if he works, he get paid. If you don't work also, he'll get paid. But in your case, it is active income. If you work, you get paid. If you don't work, will you get paid? No. Yes or no? If work, then only income. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? तो बात समझ आ रही है? Right. Now ask him a question now. Right. Just imagine you are an employee today. You shift it back to owner. Who can give you the ownership? Vestige can give you the ownership. Question mark. How can you become owner? You are here, question mark, and employees are coming and working under you, or you are recruiting the HR. And Vestige is giving the option. If you make a team of 100 people also, how much? If you make a team of 100 people also, if everybody works for 1 day, if everybody works for 1 hour, let it be students, after the college gets over, what work they are doing? They are working to approach people, or they are working to improve their skills and to get ahead in the network marketing. If everybody start practicing for 1 hour, how many hours did you work for that? You work for 100 hours per day. Before you working for 8 hours, now you have been working for 100 hours per day. Are you not shifting back to your passive income? That is called time is money. More the input, more the output. Less the input, less the output. Zero input, zero output. Yes or no? So time is equal to money now. Yes or no? More the input, more the output. Less the input, less the output. So, right, before you used to work for 8 hours per day, today you have been working for 100 hours per day. That's the reason why you're earning more than what you used to earn. Example, you can see so many people checks are coming, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, 1 CR. How is that? Because somewhere or the other they're following something called time is money concept. They know if I work alone, not possible. If I recruit thousands of people, if thousands of people are being completing the work, yes or no? Since as a network owner, by default, whatever the work they do, even we get paid for that. That is how the income increases. That's how the turnover increases. That's how the input increases. By default, the output has to get increased. That is the reason why the income is so bigger. Why? Right. Today, you are at the beginning stage. You might be having a network of 3, 4 people. Right. So your income is very small, 300, 400, 500 rupees. Yes or no? The moment even you get a network of 1,000 people, 2,000 people, even your checks will go to 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees. So you need to have patience to work for the network. And in this to work to get network, you need to give more input. But majority people give excuses. They won't give input, they want output only. Without input, money will not come. Without giving time, money will never come back to you. So time is money. How much time you give, that much money you can earn. If you give less time, you get less income. So only you said train team is a paid team. If you train your team people, if you train your team properly, if you develop your team properly, what happens that key? This people will come up in life. Yes or no? So this is called as time is money concept. I hope you got this. You can tell people that is the importance of creating a network. And Vestige is giving you the option of becoming an owner rather than becoming an employee, where you can have a ownership and you can recruit people and you can make a network, and a network in turn will work hard for you and you can earn more number of hours. If you work for more number of hours, input is increasing, output has to get increased. That is the reason why you can earn 8 lakh, 10 lakh in a month. Why? Because it is all about time is equal to money. I think आपको समझ आ चुका है कि क्या होता है टाइम इज मनी कॉन्सेप्ट. Clear with this, guys? Did you got this? If any doubt, can ask me. Time is money. So आज मैंने 4 concepts दिया. If any doubt, anybody has any doubt, can just type doubt in the chat box. I'll unmute you. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. I think nobody has any doubts now. No doubt, no doubt. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. So next concept, let's move on further. It is this concept is hand by hand. As soon as you tell time is money, now you're proving him with degree time money concept. Now you're proving him with a degree time money concept. Tell him how it actually works, how this degree time money concept actually works. By this, he can get the complete clarity on it. I hope this is visible to you. Yes or no, guys? Is it visible to you? Just give me a moment. I'll just frame it up properly. Yeah. This is called as DTM concept, called degree, time, and money. Yes or no? Example, some people tell time is money, understood, but majority of the people follow something called as degrees money. This is what being taught to us in our house. हमारे घर पे क्या बताते हैं हमें? ज्यादा पढ़ोगे तो ज्यादा कमाओगे, कम पढ़ोगे तो कम कमाओगे. ऐसा no, that's what they teach us. But the reality is not like that. The reality is time is money, not degrees money. How exactly it is? Example, today I might be in the 10th standard. जैसे मैं ये 10th standard का मैं पास कर लूंगा. Example, I study 10th standard. If I go to a job now, how many hours can I work in a day in a job? 8 hours. What will be my salary? 8,000 to 10,000 rupees I can earn now. Yes or no, guys? If you want to increase the money now what will our parents will tell, or what will the thought will come to your mind? Let me do something called 12th standard. Chalo, fine. You went to plus 1 and plus 2 and you did 12th standard. Can you work for 10 hours per day now? As a human, still you can work for 8 hours only per day. You cannot earn more than that. And what can be the income now? 10,000 to 15,000 rupees you can earn now. But you're not satisfied with that because you're not able to complete all your dreams in the 10, 15,000 rupees. You want more money. Now what will you do? Let me do degree. Let me become graduate. Fine. 3 years of investment you did, 3 years of studies you did, and you did a graduation. After doing degree, can you work for 15 hours per day? Still, you can work for 8 hours per day. You cannot work more than that because you are a human being. You're not a machine or a robot that you can work continuously. No. Now you can get paid approximately 15,000 to 22,000 rupees per month. but still that money is not enough for you. You want more. You'll do like, let me do masters. You'll go to master's degree now. Again 2 years, MTech or MBA or XYZ is called masters. After doing masters, can you work for 20 hours per day? Still you can work for 8 hours only per day. And what can be your income now? 25,000 to 35,000 rupees can be your income. Now you tell, India is waste country. In India, we won't get any big salary. Let me do one thing. Let me go to abroad. I can earn in dollars, and I can earn in different like currencies where I can get paid higher. Now you'll plan to go to abroad now. You might go to Gulf country, or you might go to like some other parts of country. You might go to America, or you might go to like Europe continent or Russia continent, and say. You went there abroad. After going to America, can you work for 25 hours per day? Can you work for 25 hours per day? My dear friend, 25 hours never come in a day, 24 hours in a day only. Maybe Indian currency value might be lesser, but time is everywhere same only. There's 24 hours only in a day. You cannot go to America and you can work for 25 hours per day. No, America also have 25 4 hours only. So 25 4 hours is the limit. And maybe your salary might be around 45,000 to 55,000 rupees per month now. You may tell, this is also not enough. Let me do PhD now, highest degree. After doing PhD, can you work for 30 hours per day? Still, you can work for 8 hours per day. You can see your principal working in the college or working in the school. They might have done PhD, still they are working for 8 hours only. Maybe the salary is around 60,000 to 80,000 rupees per month. One thing you can observe here, what are we doing? To increase our money, what are we doing? We are actually increasing our degree. 10 standard 8k, 12 standard 10k, degree 15k, master 25k. To just increase my income, what are we doing? We are increasing a degree, and degree has a limit. After PhD, is it any other degree what you can do to increase your salary to 1.5 lakh or 2 lakh rupees? There is no degree. That's the limit. So hence, and the time is constant, 8 hours only. But what we understood is not at all degree is equal to money. It's all about time is equal to money, but the time is constant. So hence, degree is equal to money is equal to job, and time is equal to money is equal to entrepreneurship. Yes or no? If you come to Vestige, if you just make a network, you can easily work for 100 hours per day. You can easily work for 1,000 hours per day. But network is the thing. In these two concepts, they are making people realize, why should you do network marketing? Why should you create a network? What is the importance of network marketing? ऐसा no. Like बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं ना, जोड़ने का बिजनेस है, जोड़ना पड़ता है लोगों को. ऐसा no. तब ये बताओ चीजों आप, टाइम इज मनी और डिग्री इज मनी. ऐसा no. आप बोलते हो कि लोकल लैंग्वेज में ये जोड़ने का बिजनेस है. ऐसा no. प्रोफेशनल लोग बोलते हैं ये जाके नेटवर्क है. ऐसा no. कहाँ पे नहीं जोड़ा जाड़ी. ऐसा no. सब जगह जोड़ा जाड़ी चलता है. ऐसा no. You see a bank is also attracting the customer to come and open the account in the bank so that they can have funds. Yes or no? The people will give you a call now, take my car loan, my house loan and all. Why they call you? Because they want you to be a part of their network, not to be a part of somebody else's network. Everywhere it is a network only. College is also a network. If there's no students, can the college run? College cannot operate without any students. The college also is in a need of a network of students. If more the different parts of India, if they expand, the more the network they can generate and the more the money they can make. So rightfully, they'll be expanding from one branch to one more branch. They keep expanding so that they can recruit more students and they can make more money from the students. I hope you're getting it. What is degree time money and what is time is money? Any doubt in these two concepts? एक होता है हमारा degree time money, एक होता है हमारा time is money concept. Any doubt in this guys? किसी को डाउट है इस चीजों के बारे में, डिग्री टाइम मनी एंड टाइम इज मनी कॉन्सेप्ट में कुछ सवाल रहा तो आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हो कि हैव अ डाउट. मैं आपको अनम्यूट करूंगा एंड आपका सवाल आप कर सकते हो सो दैट आई कैन क्लियर योर डाउट. एनीबॉडी हैज एनी डाउट्स ऑन दिस डिग्री टाइम मनी एंड टाइम इज मनी कॉन्सेप्ट? एनीबॉडी? इफ नो डाउट्स टाइप एज नो, इफ एस डाउट्स आर देयर देन टाइप एज एस. I hope you're getting it. I taught you 4 things today. How to track the courier in detail. I taught you how to track that. Second thing, I taught you something called as how to use a dream list card in invitation, presentation, and follow. Third thing I taught you about ESBA route, invitation, present, and follow. Fourth thing called time is money. Fifth thing is called degree time money concept. 5 concepts I taught you today. These 5 concepts are very quite oftenly you'll be keep using it again and again, again. So you need to know how to explain these concepts. You should know how to explain it in the right way. That's pretty important. I hope you all got this now. I hope you all have got this. Now it's time for you guys to practice well so that you can get a proper results. And whenever you go on the field to work or to face anybody on presentation or follow, you should be having enough of knowledge to prove them right. What exactly the platform is. If you're lacking in the knowledge, if somebody has any guess doubt, you're confused, then that guy will never join you. So you should be in a position to explain them very well so that they can join you properly. Getting out, guys. बात समझ आ रही है आप लोगों को? That's the whole concept. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Today, eighth day of the meeting is done. We'll move on further with new topics called still we are yet to cover something called invitation, rules, mistake, methods in detail. We are yet to cover something called follow-up, rules, mistake, methods, and specific doubts. So many specific doubts, money problem, time problem, parents problem, this problem, that problem. सारे बातों हम लोग डिटेल में बात करेंगे. One topic we'll talk in detail. Time problem is says one whole chapter will talk on time problem. How to connect the guest with time problem. Will come in detail. Then we're gonna go with health supplements. हम लोग disease wise हम लोग बात करेंगे. We're gonna take meetings on diabetes. We're gonna take meeting on like so many topics I have with me. Then we're gonna cover in that topics. Yes or no? Right. Then we have a topic called as tools and many more topics I have with me. Right. So धीरे one by one, slowly we'll cover one topic in a day. So 8 days of the meeting done, still 22 days have been left out. So regularly be a part of it. After 30 days, you are a pro network marketer. You are a pro. If anybody talks about health supplement, you will be in a position to answer him. If anybody asks any doubt, you'll be in a position to answer him. If anybody knows how to invite, you'll be in a position to answer them. And you will be a pro trainer where you can train people properly and you can make a big network, and you will be having a well trained team, so you get well paid from the income. आपका income अच्छा आएगा क्यों? Because आप लोगों को independent बना दिया. Yes or no, guys? So it's your responsibility to how we are taking an initiative in creating all the documents, typing and adjusting the topics, and we are learning. Similarly, it's time for you to practice well at home. It's just not about sitting back and just reading the meeting and just after that, if you're not practicing, then you're losing out the flow. Practice makes you perfect. If you're perfect, then you can train people properly. So it's time for you guys to practice well and improve yourself and get a good results in ahead. So thank you so much, guys. All right. So all the very best for you. All right. Let's meet up tomorrow again at 9 p.m. with some new topics. And if you want any topics to be covered from your side, and you can just like text me up so that I can add up the topics also in my document. If I miss out some topics, you can be a reminder for me. If I'm already have my if you send me some topics, if I'm already there in my document, anyways I'm going to cover that. If some topics are not there in my document, and you can if you remind me so that I can add up in that, so that I can prepare on that as well, so that I can train you on the topic as well. Right, guys? So thank you so much. All the very best. You okay? Wish you well. All the best.